No! Get! Princeton!
Eating everything.
Passion knows no bounds. He could totally rock the xylophone. But he's got to make time for the dentist visits too. Sure, it's lonely when you're new, but remember, muscle won't win you friends. It's the wrong approach. Not everyone is spy material. Some spilled the beans doing it. There gotta be a better role for them on the team. It's amazing when life pairs you up with your soulmate, right when loneliness hits you. Objects in your home may have hidden purposes, just waiting for your little detectives to discover them. I'm set on a future